Sharon, you do the sound effects for Colin. And Karen, you're going to do it for Ryan. Those will be the people you're in charge of doing the sound effects.
Have you met Drew?
Yes. I see you're a big fan of the show. Nice to have you. Here's the scene. Clark Kent, who is Ryan, is having an intimate evening with Lois Lane, Colin, when he gets a message that supervillain Lex Luthor is terrorizing New York with a series of disasters. So get ready, Sharon and Karen, and enjoy yourself doing the sound effects for Ryan.
A little champagne, Lois?
Why, thank you, Clark.
Squeak.
I hope you like Squeaky 49. It's a rare brand.
Thank you.
A toast.
Click.
To the most beautiful woman in the world. Boy, is that good.
Wow.
The bubbles get up my nose. Next to kryptonite, it's the only thing that can really kill me.
Why don't I put on some romantic music?
That'd be nice.
Do you like the sounds of silence?
Yes. My favorite band. Wait a minute.
What?
A signal.
Beep, 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 beep.
Only your super hearing can pick it up, I'm guessing.
You don't hear those beep, 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 beeps?
Beep, 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 beep.
What do you think it means?
Lex Luthor, or Luther, I can't understand. The signals aren't that clear. He's causing problems downtown. I'm going to have to go. Will you come with me, Lois?
All right.
Hold on tight. My powers are only good for taking a 10-second spurt. We've landed.
I think I left my faucet on, too.
Lois. What? I'm going to try to protect us, but if we come separated, take this gun.
You have a gun?
Well, just in case. You see how I fly?
All right. What are you going to do?
I'm going to go down that staircase.
I come with you. I'm very scared.
All right, if you're coming with me, we'll go through that skylight. Lex's office is right below it.
All right. Best we don't use the stairs. We'll jump through the skylight.
You know how I like to do things strangely.
All right.
The skylight's louder.
All right. But won't I cut myself on all those shards of broken glass?
No, I'll hold you up with my super 10-second spurt flying powers.
All right.
Hang on.
All right.
Uh-oh.
Ow.
I got a cramp.
Oh, my goodness, look! Luthor's built a giant robot!
Shh, I think it's sleeping.
Say, you don't think it's activated by this button?
Don't touch that!
No, I guess not.
Sharon and Karen. I'll tell you the two really good things that came out of this. First of all, you're going to be famous with your friends and neighbors for a couple of weeks. And the second thing, now you know who Ryan and Colin are.